My name is Kati and this is my channel. Welcome everybody to watch it. What happens in my lifestyle video. Mm. What's the weather? It's -2 degrees. And it's wintering here. We visited a local store. By bus. We got delivered by post. Let's open it. The flower bulbs we ordered have arrived. To plant an indoor garden. Altar. Welcome everybody to watch how to grow a double pink night lily from a bulb. With a care and health benefits info. We are excited. This is pure delight. Here are equipments we need to get our hands in the soil. Home gardening is a therapeutic activity. This amaryllis variety is named Amaryllis rosetta. Double pink. The night lily looks fabulous when blooming. Night flowers is a plant genus belonging to the daffodils plants. It includes 111 species of bulbous plants. It's originally from South and Central America. The night lily gardening may give us purpose and meaning. In Latin, hippe astrum. In Sweden, amaryllis. In German, Narcissenlilie. In Italian, Amarillide. In Finnish, Ritarin kukka. Put the bulbs to a refrigerator before planting. The night lily care, we make sure it gets plenty of light away from the frost. The easy indoor plant we water once a week. More often can lead to rot. The best growing temperature is 22 to 28 Celsius degrees. And the blooming will start after 4 to 6 weeks. While it's snowing outside, we all can get enjoyment from flower power. the Fisherman's Blues painting series. Keep the amaryllis pulp soaked partly in water. The Mushroom Forest design series reminds us about 4 seasons. The amaryllis is such an amazingly beauty. Home gardening may improve our well-being on many ways. After 12 hours soaking, the night lily roots looks like these. We may have sense of purpose, calms us. Seeing closely miracles of growing. Elves kävelliset, snowmen kävelliset, caramel earrings. We need rocks for a good drainage. And the container should be clean with holes. We start to add soil. Garden or cactus soils are the best. Gardening supports our nature knowledge. May help with stress. Let us cure. Here you see an healthy root system. Twist the bulb so you can see shoulders and a tip. Urban gardening may keep us active. Learn more. Maybe feel more positive. The container needs to be 2 to 5 centimeters around, bigger than the bulb. About your 2-3 fingers width. Add more soil to tighten the whole package. After planting, water the plant well. Until you see the drainage works well. Growing, dying our own flower is good for our mental health. Such a great hobby. Gardening in containers may lower levels of depression, improve motivation, boosting self-esteem. After 4 to 6 weeks, our amaryllis will look like this with right care. Now we are replacing it to undergrowing lights. Next to other houseplants. To warm window sill. Green color calms us down. We checking every morning a growing result. Like a child in a candy store. And the creation angel is protecting us, our plants. It has snow outside. But we love it here in Noord. The mushroom forest designs are paper size A2. We are remembering this autumn, when we found fancy mushrooms around our neighborhood. I really needed to check my eyes many times. Find our own food. In the end, we stick a support to the night lily. Following the growth, we'll stay happy and joyful. From now on, we'll start to use senses like hearing flowers' language for better nature connection. Thank you for watching. We hope you like, share and order our channel. See you on the next videos and the previous ones. Bye bye. See you on our next and previous short movies. Please share, order and join to our channel. Bye bye. The script, photographs, the idea, poems and videos by @kati.makinen8. Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel to @katimakinen8647. And welcome to our Instagram page to @kati.makinen8. Thank you.